हेलो दोस्तों की हाल चाल सो इफ यू आर a OnePlus, Oppo or Realme user and you are waiting for upcoming ColorOS 17, then this video is going to be interesting because today I'm going to talk about the major ColorOS 17 leaks, including the new dialer, redesigned control center, new lock screen notifications, media player, and AI powered photo editing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start with the first big change. ColorOS 17 is getting a completely fresh dialer experience. The dialer has been redesigned to look much more cleaner and more modern. We are also seeing a new incoming call interface with a redesigned answer layout and a new 1x2 button style answering option. The call history and dial pad have also received a visual refresh, making the overall calling experience feel more consistent. Even the ColorOS branding logo has been redesigned, and honestly, it looks pretty clean. Now let's move on to the control center. If you put ColorOS 17 and ColorOS 16.1 side by side, the biggest visual difference is immediately noticeable: the rounded corners. Almost every tile and toggle is getting a much more rounded experience, and there's another interesting leak: touch sensitive lighting effect. This could mean that when you are interacting with certain tiles or toggles, you'll see a dynamic lighting effect. It could make the control center feel much more alive. And in the screenshot, I noticed that the setting button and the edit button for control center has been changed. Of course, this is based on leaked information, so the final implementation could be different. Next up, notification on lock screen. ColorOS 17 appears to be testing a bottom stack notification layout on lock screen. This changes how notifications are visually arranged and could make the notification area feel more organized. Interestingly, this is another area where ColorOS 17 seems to be experimenting with a different approach compared with the current ColorOS 16 experience. Now let's talk about something that honestly looks yummy. The ColorOS 17 media player has also been leaked, and the design looks really interesting. We are seeing a transparent glass-like appearance with the lighting effect, but my favorite part is progress bar. As your song progresses, the animation gives it a comet-like appearance, almost as if the progress indicator is leaving a trail behind it. It's a small detail, but these kind of animations can make the entire UI feel much more premium. And finally, let's talk about ColorOS 17 photo editor. This is where things are getting really interesting. The new photo editor appears to introduce more AI-powered editing tools and templates. For example, we could get option related to photo agent templates where you can select a photo and use AI-based tools to make different changes. There's also appear to be option like AI enhancement and template-based editing, giving users more way to transform their photos without manually adjusting every single photo. So instead of just having the traditional brightness, contrast, saturation, and similar controls, ColorOS 17 could make photo editing much more AI focused. And this is probably just the beginning, because more AI editing tools could be added before the final release. So these are some of the new ColorOS 17 leaks and changes that I have noticed so far. From the fresh dialer and calling interface to the rounded control center, new notification style, comet style media player, and the new AI powered photo editor, ColorOS 17 is definitely looking interesting. But remember, these are leaks. Now I want to know from you, which ColorOS 17 feature are you most excited about: the new dialer, the control center, the crazy media player, or the AI photo editor? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are a OnePlus, Realme, Oppo user, make sure to subscribe to Deep Stack for more ColorOS 17 leaks, updates, features, and everything coming to your device. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.